Hello everyone, welcome on ProfTech Tips. Today I've got a Cooler Master Power Supplies Elite Nex 600 watt power supplies unboxing for you. It looks pretty nice. If you have a look here, it's got a total power 60 watt. Model number is MPW6001 ACBW. It's for Intel ITX 12 volt version 2.41, and its dimension is 140 to 150 and 186 millimeters. It's actually a standard size with 120 cell fan. Power good signal is 5 to 100 to 500 milliseconds, and is all up to 10 milliseconds at 100% load. Its efficiency is 85% typical load, and working time is about 100,000 hours. It's really good. Operation temperature is 0 to 40 Celsius. Protection OVP, UVP, OPP, OTP, and SCP as well. And got the connectors 24 pin, 1 times 4 plus 4 pin EPS, 1 time PCI Express 6 plus 2 pin twice. It's good for the 8 pin twice graphic cards as well. It's got a SATA 5 times and 4 pins out as well. Outputs, that's the important for what you need. It's a total 600 watts. It's got a 46 amp on 12 volt rail, which is good. It's good. It's more than enough for any graphic cards, modern graphic cards. I think up to maybe, I don't know, really, I don't know. It's really nice, 46 amperes on 12 volt rails. Sometimes if you got a twice 12 volt rails, it's good as well. But this one is not bad, and it's got the 17 amps on 5 volts and 19 amps on 3.2 volts as well. Okay, let's go open it. It's an active PCB and dual forward topologic design, height stability and reliability as well. 3 years warranty, silent, intelligent fan control, and it's 80 plus. 80 plus, okay. As you can see, it's lovely seal box, and just go and open it. Scalpel. It's the scalpel. It's the scalpel, and okay, let's go. For why I got this power supply, I will go and build one AMD PC for my friends. PC, the older on me, and I just don't get it built. Okay, we got a manuals, power cable, and here is power supply itself. As you can see, 4 screw box. You don't need it. Also don't need this. A manual, a standard manual, probably doesn't need that as well. Especially not the first time built PC, and yeah, just open it and have a look at the quality. Yeah. It's also everything what I already tell you, it's right on the sticker here. As you can see, it's 80 plus, nice black color, Elite Nex, and smell nice. I like the smell, new electronic. Yeah, it's not heavy, and as you can see, it's got a 4 molex. Like I said before, you can check it as this as well. Let's open it. It's not a modular, it's standard. It's cost, I think, about 50 euro. Like I said, you got a 24 pin twice 8-pin for GPU. With a 2 SATA here, 2 Molex, 1, 2, 3 SATA here, and 1 CPU 8-pin as well, which should be dismounted. Yeah, you can separate for 4 of them. Yeah, that's it. That's the power supply. Cooler Master Elite Nex W600. Click like, subscribe. Hopefully you like it. I like it.